Welcome back to David's Jigarthanda. Our today's recipe, lemon pepper chicken.
Chicken 1 kg, pepper powder 1 tablespoon, curd 200 grams, lime juice 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Marinate for 30 minutes. In a kadai, add oil 5 tablespoons, butter 1 tablespoon, 4 cardamom, 3 cloves, cinnamon 1 inch, peppercorn 1 teaspoon, 4 green chilies chopped, garlic 10 pods finely chopped, ginger 1 inch finely chopped. Now add the marinated chicken. Mix it well. Add rock salt according to your taste. Add water 100 ml. Mix well. Close it with the lid and let it boil.
Mix well so that it doesn't get burnt. Now close it with the lid again and leave it until cooked. Add corn flour slurry 2 tablespoons, corn flour 1 tablespoon is to water 2 tablespoons, pepper powder 1 tablespoon, lime juice 2 tablespoons and mix well. Sprinkle with a handful of coriander leaves. Now our tasty lemon pepper chicken is ready. Try it to enjoy it. Thank you.